Electro Europe 2023.
At Brightsite's plasma laboratory at Chemelot, it is exploring how an old technology can help the chemical industry in its much-needed transformation.
Plasma, actually, you could see it as a cloud with a lot of energy inside. And in this energy, where the temperature is very high, we can get reactions going without burning natural gas or something else to produce the heat. So we avoid the emission of CO2. Actually, everybody knows lighting, and you also know that there's a lot of energy inside. It can really destruct things, and that's also what we do with molecules. So for the chemical industry, this can be used on a large scale. So, and actually that's not new. In the past, they already worked on that, and we are picking up that again. It's like with electrical cars. The first cars were electric, then they started to burn the petrol, and now they're going back to electrical. And with some of the chemical processes, it's the same. In the beginning, it was electrical, using arcs, and then they started to burn the natural gas, and now we're going to plasmas. Again, applicable for several molecules, for instance for methane valorization, so we're going from methane to hydrogen, acetylene, ethylene, or with nitrogen going to nitrogen oxide or to other nitrogen molecules, but also for CO2. We get from CO2 to CO to methanol.
What am I doing here if I tell to my neighbor? I would probably tell him that I'm using plasmas to help the bioindustry to reduce their impact on the environment. In our case, we want to use it by cow farms. So we want to sort of put a plasma like this, perhaps a little bit smaller, next to the barn, and then we get the air from the barn and we inject that behind the plasma so that we can get the methane to get destroyed by the radicals from the plasma.